Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing an in-ear monitor from KZ EDX Pro to be exact. And what are in-ear monitors or IEM, you might ask. They are basically earphones for audiophiles such as myself. And and as you can as you'll probably see, I am wearing them as because I have already unboxed and shooting my first part. Let's open up the packaging. Inside the box we get the bill and a carrying pouch for your in-ear monitor and some bubble wrap and the in-ear monitor. Cost of IEM 1000 rupees. Peace of mind, priceless. These are the legendary EDX Pro, as you can see. These are the black variant with mic, as you can see. 10 Hz to 20 kilohertz, 24 ohms. For some weird reason, limpedance. For impedance, they have written limpedance. And sensitivity, as you can see, this is made in China. Their logo. The packaging is quite premium, I would say. Unboxing is not done in the most premium place in the world, as you can see, but unboxing experience is quite premium, I would say. As you can see, we get some extra ear tips and the wire, which is quite heavy, and the in-ear monitor itself. And these are, I would guess, the warranty, I mean the user manual, which no one is going to read. So, and these are the please ignore my ugly finger and let's just focus on this beauty. As you can see, the whole driver is exposed and it's transparent and black and gold, looks beautiful, as you can see. And now let's and they have a hole for, so that when you plug them in, the air doesn't build up inside your ear, creating a vacuum, as you can see. The box looks something like this, which comes with the in-ear monitor. As you can see, audiocular, something like that is written on the top, and we have a section over here and it all closes, and it's very durable, I would say. You can easily keep it in your backpack. see. And I have set them up for the first time in my entire life. I'm not sure if they are wired correctly or not. So let's test them. Well, hello, mic testing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is too early to judge any piece of audio hardware, but one thing I can say for sure that these are one of the best sounding earphone I have ever heard in my entire life. As you can see, the first impression is phenomenal, mind blowing, whatever the hell is out there. It sounds fantastic. It sounds amazing, and the the bass and the mid frequencies are quite balanced. It's quite balanced in nature, not punchy when it comes to bass, and pretty much better than all that crap which we get in the name of earphones. It's way better, but it's quite very quite complicated to wear. As you can see, this is the only downside for an IEM. I have used both products and all that Realme Buds 1, 2 and MI Basics and all that garbage, but this has surpassed uh, all of them 100 times, I would say. So basically, speaking of sound quality is one of the best you can get under 1,000 rupees. Even 2,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees, it easily surpasses every earphone, every 5,000 rupees wireless one. It easily surpasses everyone in the sound quality because it's wired, and it has dual driver for basically a 10 dynamic driver for the low end and a smaller armature driver for the high end. I'm not sure about the specification, as they have not mentioned the size of both the drivers but just one drivers. They have simply mentioned it has one armature driver and one dynamic driver, a 10 dynamic driver, and I don't know the size of that armature driver. They have not mentioned, but it's there. You can definitely feel it.